Let me see, what you make today. Let me see the heart, crush it. Oh. What did you make today?
I made a snowman. But it does.
Oh, look at that one.
I made a deformed heart. Oh.
Okay. All right. Today we're going to bring some winter toys. And these are perfect if you're going to make snowmen or any kind of snow fights that you're going to have. This is perfect. They give you pretty much a scarf, a beanie, and even the bags to put everything in it. My kids had a blast using these. Actually, they were using this over the weekend. They were playing. They were building little duckies. They were building little penguins, and they even give you a snowman nose if you finish a snowman. So pretty much the accessories are really easy to use. If you guys can see, these are double-sided, so you can actually mold anything that's in shape in here. A snowman, a heart, even a penguin, if you guys see the big penguin, and also some duckies. And they give you shovels and little surfaces to actually pretty much, just clean up some of the edges, and even some tools. If you guys can see that, if you want to build a fort, a snow fort, you can do that. Winter's around the corner. A lot of people are going to be heading to a snow. These are perfect toys for little kids or any ages, to be honest with you. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
You just have to snap it on, and now it's ready to go and put snow in the back and bottom.
All right, let's go grab some snow.
Okay, that's cute. I love that. Oh, you're supposed to smile?
Oh, I went too. Okay. My little duck, 3 ducks with the 3 little ducks. 3, 2, 1.